Today, after some strong words from a Jefferson County judge, a Louisville man was sentenced to 50 years in prison for the murder of his girlfriend. William Sloss was found guilty for killing Amanda Berry and abusing her corpse. Berry was found dead in the basement of the home the couple shared in 2020. 1 month prior, Berry had called 911 after escaping from the home, asking police for help. A public integrity unit report revealed Berry told officers that Sloss refused to let her leave the house. She told the officers he hit her, chased her down the street, held her in the house, and took away her phone. The officers did not complete a report, nor did they arrest Sloss at that time. It wasn't until February of 2020, after she was dead, that police stepped in. WHAS 11's Alexis Jones and Alyssa Newton have reaction from the unusual sentencing hearing that happened today.
William Sloss did not appear in court today, but that didn't stop the judge from moving forward with his sentencing. He and prosecutors say this isn't the first time that Sloss disrespected the courtroom.
I communicated with corrections twice, the county attorney's office twice, and where they left it was that Mr. Sloss says that if he's required to come to court, he will fight them and he will spit on them.
Behavior that Judge McKay Chavan says isn't uncommon for William Sloss.
He has defied the court repeatedly. He has disrespected the process repeatedly. He's disrespected the victim. He's disrespected the victim's family. He's disrespected counsel.
Sloss refused to appear in court several times during his trial. Tuesday, Judge Chavan moved forward with Sloss sentencing without him being there. He wanted to protect correction officers.
In the 30-plus years that I've been involved in the criminal justice system, I've probably known 5 bad people, people who don't know the difference between right and wrong and don't care. And I think Mr. Sloss is actually one of those.
Which he says is all the more reason to give Sloss 50 years in prison, a sentence Amanda Berry's mother and prosecutors were hoping for.
Please do not give him any less time.
They never want him to get out of prison, as the judge mentioned. They lost a loved one in a terrible, tragic, awful way. But I think they also respect the jury's decision in the recommended sentence.
Sloss would be up for parole in 20 years. However, Chavan recommends he stays behind bars.
Unless he is completely different than the day he went in, he should never get out. He is a dangerous, dangerous person, and he will hurt somebody else if he ever gets out.
In Louisville, Alexis Jones, WHAS 11 on your side.
Earlier this year, the Berry family filed a lawsuit on behalf of their daughter, accusing police of failing her and demanding accountability. The lawsuit lists both LMPD and Metro government at fault. We mentioned moments ago that 2 officers failed to take a report for Berry or arrest Sloss. And today, when we checked the status of that lawsuit, it is still moving through the court system.